Hey guys, if you want to learn how to code with ChatGPT and know coding knowledge in just a few minutes, this video is for you. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence that can do too many things, and coding is one of the best things this AI can do. So we can just ask ChatGPT to do anything. In my case, I will do a very simple website with a tic-tac-toe game on it. Now it will start generating the code. If you are not happy with the results or want something different, you can always regenerate the response or try again with different words. Now that we have this, I will copy the code and go to my text editor. I will use Visual Studio Code, but you can use anything. I will create a new HTML file and paste the code on it. And now we just copy the path of the file and paste it on your browser. As we can see, it looks pretty good. The design is simple since I didn't specify anything about a design, but this is what I was looking for. Now I could ask him to modify the code to add a good website design, but I will just leave it like this. Everything works fine. I will ask him to modify the code so each player has a counter to see how many matches they won. I will just replace the part of code that was modified and try it again. Now the counter has been added. We can see the button is duplicated now, but it was probably my fault because I pasted the same code twice, but I will fix that in a moment. We can see the button is duplicated here, so I will remove it. And it's perfect now. If this tutorial was useful for you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching.